Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Badrul Zahin, and today I want to explain the program and the coding that involved in our interface, which is student registration system. So, in our program, we have some subclasses that involve in the coding. For the first subclass is student subclass, and the second one is course subclass, and the parent class of the subclass is a database class, and the main class of this program, and of course the GUI for the coding. So for the first subclass, which is the student subclass, there are also some attributes that we use for the user to enter. First is the student ID and the student name, the student course major, and also the list of the registered course. The next is the subclass course. In this subclass, we require the user to enter the information of the course that they want to register, such as the course code, the title of the course or programs, the credit hour of this course, and also the pointer or grade of this course. So the next is the parent class, which is the database class. In this database class, we use array to show the data that we just input from the two subclasses, which is the student subclass and the course subclass, and of course the main class, so that we can run the coding according to the other subclass. And lastly is the GUI subclass, which is the interface for our student registration system. So next, I would like to show how we use or how this program works, so that the user can use for their registration session. So for the first thing, you need to input your student ID, your student name, and also your major program, and after that you need to list the course that you want to register. To list this, you also need to enter the code of the course, the title of the course, and the credit hour for the course, and also your grade or pointer for these subjects. You can input several courses for the other subject. You can enter more than one subject. So next is you need to choose the course that you want to register, and after that the interface will do the calculating so that it can show your CGPA or total pointer or grade for this semester. And I think that's all for our registration system. I hope that you guys can understand a little bit about our programs, and I think that's all from me. Thank you.